What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. We want to wish everybody that's watched this video a happy Easter. Hope you're enjoying Easter Sunday. Today, we're going to be getting ready for our Easter dinner. We're going to show you what we're making and all that stuff. We're going to show you the layout of what we're doing and everything. So come along with us for the day and see our Easter dinner. Well, guys, Rihanna's in the process of trying to figure out our ham because we got our ham all wrapped up. That's going to go in the oven right quickly here. We're just trying to figure out how long we have to have it in the oven.
My math is not mathing.
Yeah, so we have to put this thing. We wrapped it in tin foil. I had to double wrap it because we're going to be cooking it in the oven. And Brianna's trying to I don't know what the heck.
I'm trying to math how long it goes in for.
Yeah. So, as you can see, we got that going. We got dishes going because we're going to have lots of dishes. And then our table is slowly getting set up for Easter. So, we're going to be doing a lot of cooking in this kitchen today. We have stuff prepared, what we're going to be doing for supper. We're going to have, what's that? What is this? Bake something.
Green bean casserole.
Yep.
We are doing scalloped potatoes. This is my backup idea for scalloped potatoes.
Yep.
Because it would have been way too expensive for what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
And then we also have Brussels sprouts.
And
then the family is bringing desserts and salads. And
yep.
So a whole big meal.
Yes. So stay tuned and see what else we can. What else we do, right?
Yes.
Well, guys, we're in the process, or Rihanna's in the process of trying to set the table. We got some napkins we got from the dollar store this morning.
Yeah, we don't need anything
fancy
and crazy.
So we're in the process of trying to put napkins on the table, but we also have our screen door wide open, so it might be blowing the wind a little bit, or the napkins a little bit. That didn't make no sense, but
it was a little bit, but
so yeah, we'll show you in the end, or in a little bit, everything set up with it, all the I guess the.
With it all done.
That's all. We don't have a centerpiece for the table because we couldn't find one.
I couldn't find one that I liked.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna not have one.
Yep. So talk to you guys in a little bit here. The ham is like halfway done. As you can see, we're taking it out to take it off the tin foil. I guess we have to put the glaze on, put it in for another 12 minutes at a higher temperature. Smells really good. What else we have?
And then we have to, after 12 minutes, we pull it out.
Yep.
And we let it sit for 10 minutes.
Yep.
Then we can carve it,
yep.
Which it pretty much carves itself because it's a spiral ham. And then we let it sit, and then it'll go in the oven later just to warm. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So guys, we've got Mike here taking off the tin foil.
Should I do the tin foil on thing?
No, it has to come out. So basically you just kind of roll it around, I think. Oh. But that's what it looks like right now. Mike is just putting the glaze all over the ham.
Delicious glaze.
You can see it kind of going into the pan too. And also, you can see where the juices actually came out of the ham. Looks yummy.
Well, guys, the ham is done. We're just taking it out. Have to let it rest for a bit. Ooh, look at that. Look at that delicious ham. Oh. Goodness, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna let that sit for how long?
it says 10 minutes.
10 minutes, and then we're gonna cut it, and then gotta put it
off
in.
to the
It
side.
says some tray things here.
And then we're gonna chill out for a few minutes.
Yep.
And then on with the rest of the stuff.
Yep.
It's not rolling.
Well, guys, we started. I cut this half of the ham, but I was having some issues with that part. So Rihanna's working on this right now to put into this dish right here. That's gonna be going into the oven eventually, right?
Yep.
So we're
Just sucks that everything keeps sliding on.
Yeah, we're having some issues with this ham for some reason. I don't know what's going on.
Not really issues. It's just everything is sliding on me.
Yeah. Overall, it's gonna be a decent meal, I think.
Oh yeah.
This ham looks very, very delicious, as you can see. Yeah, very good.
A little piece. It's good.
But we're gonna finish this off and then work on our scalloped potatoes and our
Green bean
casserole. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Well, guys, Rihanna's in the process of doing our scalloped potatoes for our supper. It's a big pan that we're doing this.
Well, we need it to feed
5 people.
5 people.
Yep. Yeah.
So we're doing.
Yeah, so we're doing like 3 boxes of scalloped potatoes, and then we're gonna be doing
green bean
casserole in a little bit here.
I'm gonna get it all prepared here in a second.
And then yeah, we're getting there with our thing. Family should be arriving in about an hour-ish. So yeah. So we'll see you guys in a little bit, right? Well, guys, we're about to eat supper pretty soon here, so we're gonna talk to you guys in a little bit. Gonna spend some time with family and enjoy time, by the way. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit after supper and let you know how the meal went, right?
Yes.
We'll talk to you guys in a bit.
2,000 years later.
Well, guys, we just finished our supper. We just had
we didn't just finish.
Oh, you don't mean.
We just finished visiting.
Yes.
And everyone has gone their separate ways. Yep. We've just finished cleaning up the kitchen.
As you can see.
It's still
a little bit messed up.
But the most of it's done.
Yep.
And now we are exhausted. Yep. So
we're gonna head to bed really soon. So
yeah, I think we're heading to bed soon.
So we're gonna close this video off. Thanks for hanging out with us as we picked our Easter dinner. Yeah, right? Yeah.
Yes, thank you all for coming in and watching. Hopefully you all had a wonderful Easter.
Yep.
And we will see you all in the next one. So thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.